Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Caliente from BelleTress, and this is in their new Bombshell blonde color. So I'm gonna cut to the chase, bury the lead, just spoiler alert all day long. This is essentially editor's pick by Raquel Welch, but in the BelleTress line. So if you like Editor's Pick or styles like Mila by Jon Renau or even Brooklyn by Estetica, very, very, very similar. I would say this is slightly lighter hair density. I also tend to like the BelleTress fiber a little bit better than the Raquel Welch True to Life fiber, but I mean, it's very, very similar stuff here. So I would say if you're torn between the two, go with whatever's in stock or go with whatever color palette you like the best. But just know, they're virtually interchangeable, all of these styles. Just keep in mind that Brooklyn is a traditional synthetic, and so is Mila by Jon Renau for that matter, whereas this, which is the Caliente by BelleTress and the Editor's Pick by Raquel Welch, are both heat-friendly synthetics. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Caliente looks like on all sides. Keep a lookout for that low profile. This one has very nice light hair density. As you can see, light hair density on top does not mean that the hair doesn't have any volume. This particular cut and the other styles I mentioned all have the same thing in common, and that's that they have a very nice short front. Look at how short the front is here compared to the rest of the style. Here, let me see if I can separate this out. You can see it's kind of shattered. Some of the pieces are way shorter than others, and it's sort of irregularly cut. So that's what gives it this very kind of feathered appearance. That's that shattering. It's also a deconstructed curl, so it's not completely curled. Some of the pieces are going to be a little bit straighter than others. That's very trendy. And it's heat friendly, so if you don't like that, you can always straighten it or add a different curl. But you can't change the fact that the layering is cut so asymmetrically and on purpose. It's all over the place. That's gonna give this style a ton of volume, particularly here at the bottoms. It's like very much like, especially in this color, it reminds me of like Debbie hairy 1980s Studio 64 hair, you know what I mean? Like early 80s Debbie hairy. It really, really makes me think of that. So if that's a look that has captured your imagination and your heart since you were a teeny tot, you may wanna get this in this color. It's very much a blondie blonde. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and show you the cap construction. So this is a really pretty, by the way, light brown root. It's really soft, but it definitely looks like a rooted color. You can see here that there's a little bit of permatease here on this side of the wig, so that's gonna be on the right. It's also got a contoured pre-cut lace front that is seamless into the monofilament side part. It's scratchy, so it's a kind of a coarse lace, just so you know. There is soft fuzzy felt that lines the perimeter of these lace features as well as the top of the cap. We've also got open wefts on the side and in the back, as well as an extended felt nape that adjusts a bit like a bra strap here in the back, and closed felt here on the ear tabs. This wig is quite stretchy on. I feel like it's pretty comfortable actually. It kind of goes right into place. Though it does sort of have that triangle shape to it. Very Debbie hairy CBGBs. One way or another, the tide is high. I want to start singing, but then I would be sad because I don't sound anything like Debbie hairy. I sound like a Disney princess by comparison when I sing. Not quite that edgy. So yeah, cute cut, lace front, kind of wants to move up a little bit. So might want to use some tape on there if you experience that. There's that edge there. I just sort of steamed off the face on this sample. Beautiful shape here, very similar to Editor's Pick. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, bringing you the Caliente, which is an adorable style from BelleTress, heat-friendly fiber. This is Bombshell Blonde, which is a heat-friendly color. Thanks so much for watching. Just keep in mind you can get both of those things and a whole bunch of other BelleTress stuff, including some of our exclusive colors at CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. I built the site, it's a lot of fun, my staff is great, so come hang out with us sometime. And until next time, have a great night.